Hi, did you know that you can save your setup data on a Siemens CNC Control simply by going to Program Manager, selecting Workpiece, a folder inside Workpiece, going to your vertical soft keys, selecting Archive, Save Setup Data, and then there you can pick up your magazine assignments, your tool names, tool offsets, your work offsets. It creates an INI file in the folder directory that you chose, and then there you can look at that to either take your tool names, your internal tool number, your length, your radiuses, put that in your CAM system, or save that for later to reload into your machine for when you do that workpiece again.